Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Google account tied to AdSense and that you can sign in. Make sure two-step verification works. You need your publisher ID, a clear government ID, and an official proof of address ready to upload. Once done, open AdSense in a desktop browser. Mobile can hide fields, and go directly to Settings Account Information so you can begin editing the address fields without delay. Now you'll edit the address itself. Click the edit icon next to address and account information, then type the full street, unit number, city, postal code, and country exactly as shown on your proof. Make sure formatting matches the document because small mismatches can trigger verification. When prompted, upload a clear scan or photo of your proof of address, JPG, PNG, or PDF, and add any required translations. Save changes and note the verification status shown. Finally, confirm verification. AdSense will review your submission, which can take 3 to 10 business days. You'll see pending, approved, or rejected. If approved, double-check that payments and tax info reflect the new address. If rejected, read the rejection reason, correct formatting or document issues, and resubmit promptly. If status remains stuck, contact AdSense support or post in the official community. Include your publisher ID and screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.